Hey everyone, welcome to another fresh episode video of Engine with AVs. आज अपन प्लान कर रहे हैं कि चैट जीपीटी से महिंद्रा स्कॉर्पियो एन के लिए एक पोयम लिखवाई जाए। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ राइट अ पोयम। वैसे पोम होता है इसका करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन। ऑन महिंद्रा Scorpio N, the big daddy of SUVs. Now, behold the Mahindra Scorpio N, the big daddy of SUVs, a king among men. With power and strength, it rules the road, a beast on four wheels, a force to behold. Its chiseled body, a work of art, muscular and sleek, it stands apart from the city streets to rugged trains. The Scorpio N conquers all domains. Under its hood, an engine roars, a beastly growl that set heart aflutter. With every turn, it accelerates, its speed and agility hard to replicate. A cabin so comfortable, it feels like home. A tech-savvy ride, never leaving you alone. With every feature you can imagine, the Scorpio N is truly a modern machine. So if you are looking for a ride with might, a true champion that never gives up the fight, then look no further than the Scorpio N, the big daddy of SUVs, the one to ascend.